Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Mavens TV. Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Tipos, I'm a fans with Makaya. Wherever you go, abantu bekhuluma ngama-fans wethu guys. This is a real life, real TV. Sikhona ke la ekhaya, ma studio wama-fans wethu. Yeah, let's talk about the game. Yeah, COSAFA tournament. Oqala nje Steve angeke ngibongele bonke abadlali abathe babizwa uBrumo ukuthi ba represent i-country. Bonke nje babongela ngekholapi abayithe bayithola kuBrumo. And then bese ke ngoba our first match asange sistart grand. Yeah, two lost kwi Mozambique as not Ayoba.
Yeah.
And kumele lokho without fear or favor ngwenze kube clear ukuthi if you love supporters, players should be win the game, should be score the goals. Because if awukwenzi lokho, the supporters will no longer bagcwala stadium. Abalandeli kumele bajatjuliswe amagoli ne-win. So that kuzoba simple ukuthi stadium makudlala ibhola they full pack. Yeah. Asistatanga kahle kwi-COSAFA uma siluza kuMozambique kufanele ba aswine. Yeah. Let me come kule game namhlanje.
Khuluma nami nje.
Yeah. But half a bread is better than nothing.
True.
Abafundile mina ngifundanga mfowethu. Ngikade kakhulu izinkomo lekhaya. Zaphinda nalo zonkomo zikamkhulu zafa kwasela ngasekho lutho. Uyabona ngoba bangiqala ngizozama impilo egoli. Uyabona ke impilo yama ups and downs. Yeah. Umuntu ungabomhleka makutshena ukuthi kubo kwanginebhasi. Umbone sehamba ngezinyawo isicathula sesitsheke sithe wazi stroke kwanginebhasi kubo because life ayihleli straight
enye into chemeni.
Life in
Yeah.
Kuyafiwa life in kumele uyifunde life uze ube strong.
Yeah.
Because mawuzokuthi wena uphila ngebhata uphuza amajuice lawa ajile. Yeah, kushuthi impela wena usakhomba ngophakathi ngesizulu umuntu.
Njalo.
Yeah, mhlazana kodwa kupatreka.
Ngiyanga uyibona.
Ngothi ubaba wakho wayebillionaire. Kusho ngokuwena suyisentene nefamily yakho ungasezoshintsha futhi.
Khuluma ngoThlopi.
Cha ngikhuluma nje ngelife.
Ngathi iphilwe
Ngikhuluma ngelife ehamba nempilo ukuthi mathiwa izulu lithatha osemsamo limphose eminyango. Lithatha osemnyango limphose emsamo ilife. Stevos. Yeah, game bafana neTanzania. First 45 minutes. Ngimane ngikhuluma la nomdawu njengasibukela ibhola ukuthi iTanzania is look like iprove kakhulu than ibafana. Yes, uBrumo bongasiwona amasoja athi masegadla athi hayi uthi or die. But istart siqala khona la kuCOSAFA ukuziprove ukuthi uzokumanage nokumela ukuba i-player le national team permanent. If ungazoperforma kahle la kuCOSAFA surely umenzela umsebenzi osimple and easy uBrumo ukuthi no longer call you. Ngifuna ukuthi ke first 45 minutes bazamile apolice ukuthi baya foster ukufuna indlela ukuthi bathole igoli. Unfortunately i-defense yale ya Tanzania ibizazi indaba zayo.
Strong.
Midfield wale ya Tanzania ubuzazi indaba zawo.
Strong.
Kushoda ke ku striking force ngoba ngisibona ngascore. Why ngisho kanje uma uzokwazi ukustopa boTito uTito uyadribula ama-talent awafani but uyayazi midfield wakhe bebegijima ngomfana omncane uSlebe of which mawukwazi ukustopa that midfield ukuthi ungakwazi ukcreate that clear chances ukuthi nje kubulawe net shothi indaba zakho uyazazi ya ngifuna ukuthi first 45 minutes kukhona lapho kwaqama khona ichance I think talent embatha ulimisile as umuntu okwazi ukuthi ama wrong range awapatrick I think kube leyo chance kuphela engiyibonile wazi clear chance after that hayi bese ukubhutubhutu nje makufika phambili I think even the setup ukuthi okumela kakora akenza umsebenzi simple and easy bongekho second half I think second half after substituting ungena kwabomfuke nabonkotha abo Luke banuleke uLuke bala yeah Luke I think ke kwaba khona ivavavum eke athi ufuna ukubonakala bakwangazi ukuthi ke manje igoli sizolibona kodwa ngokuhleleka kwe-defense no-midfield eTanzania ugcine ubone ukuthi lo mlilo ongazi ukuthi uyeza abeke bawu10 like umlilo wamaphepha angazi ke nina enifundile banithi umlilo wamaphepha yini mhlawumbe ungasho nje bakuzwe ekhaya mfana makhuluma ngomlilo wamaphepha ukuthi nithini
umlilo wamaphepha
cha ngesilungu phela sikhona ezinye into ezitranslate for English ukuthi for the white people should be understand easy kwama kuzathiwa ujwaka usitshena ngomlilo wamaphepha lapha kumafenzi wethu and then kwanzima ukuthi si understand ukuthi umlilo wamaphepha yini shukuthi nangu manager ngale assist ukuthi i-fire paper wena bakusho manager abantu abafundisa ingane zesikole esikolweni hayi kumele ngitrust ukuthi se fire paper uyabona ngaso sikhathi ngibone wayithoma and uyayifetha mase izinto zakhe phakathi eboxini elalisa ama defender kabhlungu kasho ngathi hayi igoli liyakhala agcine ekulo umlindo mangiya eBhayibhelini wentombezeli 10 ezazilinde umyeni uJesu kuthiwa uyeza zalinda zaze zalala zozela zaphathwa ubuthongo zalala zithi umkhonyana uyafika engafiki yilento ke egcine siyenzile ke samafezi wethu la studio ukuzobukela kwethu bafana sijente igoli liyeza goli dololo la ngafika ke igoli yeah shukuthi igame ebeyikhona zange befike ngisa standard kodwa ke engakubonga player number 12 ya ukuphuma kwabalandeli bezoseka ibafana ikona siqhuquzelayo sabalandeli bebhola and what I notice Peter Mkaba sabalandeli bePirates sinekhona lapha elibizwa behind the pool neSantalani bakhona kodwa engithe kwangijabulisa nokungihlabe umxhwele mangibona behind the pools kushawa ingoma I think ngithe mangihighlight lapha ngibone uMayweather ngabona uBoda ngabona uMashaka I think those are famous faces hayi ukuthi abanye ngiba account ngoba ebengababoni ngibabone bonke but irole abayidlalela ukuthi kushawe ingoma I think yona into ekumele sijwayele sabalandeli base South Africa ukuthi ingoma makudlala any team kumele abalandeli bayo noba ngabe bayifika kangakanani but abakhuthaza abalandeli babo abadlali babo ngengoma of which ingoma ngithema ngiyibona idlalwa beyishaya I think abadlali bakhuthazile babona nabo ukuthi no base South Africa ngempela and then kumele bajabulisa abadlali lonke ke amagoli agcine ingevilanga igame egcina ke iphela ngo 0-0 of which angikhuthazi ke kumkhelele naku Brumo abawathathe wonke amagame wabo seriously. Is it COSAFA Cup? Abayithathe very serious. Is it a friendly game? Abayithathe very serious because we've got a serious competition in Africa.
Yes.
Sinabo Orange Cup. Uyabo? Sinabadlali sinama Champions League, sinama Africa Champions Confederation. Of which game bayithathe very serious. Bangayithathi ngalendlela ngibone ngakhona, but anyway ngoba ise COSAFA Cup ama team wase I think the Southern yeah. Makunjalo ke masithestana amandla kodwa singamele singancengani, kumele kubonakala ukuthi inkunzi ubani kulama team wase South.
Evala nje.
Asivale ngoba nalapha kubo man of the match. Into engasho nje ngiyenze ku man of the match. Angeke ngimnikeze umfana omncane kwa I think bokuyi first call yakhe ku national team uSlepe. Umfana omncane uyabonakalisa ukuthi is coming real coming. Yeah. Mayizo qhubeka kanje ifuture ngesilungu nethini
It's bright.
Slepe labo ke sebeshilo kuma fans wethu bathi your future is bright. Ungachomeki intwana amasho kanjalo. Udlalele far from amashiri. Labantu kuthiwa yini menere is Lay Queen. Yeah, fana udlalele kude with Lay Queen. Ulungise italent lakho oliphiwe. Unfortunately uma umdlali into ezeke kusebenzela imilenze yakho nengqondo ne respect. Waqala ke italent lakho wal abuser emasherini nasotshwaleni, ngesilungu you kill yourself. Pull up your socks. Danko.
Mina ngiyafuna ama Slay Queen nje. Abo Sindi Makachini.